Inverse problems on compound interest. In the formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n. There are 4 quantities. Out of these, if any 3 are known, we can find the fourth. Such problems are called inverse problems on compound interest. The method will be clear from the example given below. For example, find the rate of interest per annum if rupees 20,000 lent for 2 years amount to rupees 24,200 compounded annually. Here amount is 24,200, let's place 20,000. We have A is equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n. 24,200 is equal to 20,000 into 1 plus R to the power 2, which simplifies to 1 plus R to the power 2 is equal to 1.21, or 1 plus R is equal to 1.1 and R is equal to 0.1, which is 10% per annum. Therefore, rate is 10% per annum. Note number 1. If the conversion period is a half year, the given time in years will be multiplied by 2 and the rate of interest per annum will be divided by 2. For example, Mayank borrowed rupees 40,000 from a bank at the rate of 10% compounded half yearly. Find the amount to be paid after the expiry of the period. Here P is rupees 40,000, R is 10% per annum, which is equivalent to 5% per half year. Time is 1.5 years, which gives 3 half years. A is equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n is equal to rupees 40,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 3, which simplifies to 46,305. Number 2. If the conversion period is a quarter, the given time in years will be multiplied by 4 and the rate of interest per annum will be divided by 4. For example, Ram borrowed rupees 10 lakhs from his friend at the rate of 16% per annum for 9 months. Find the number 1 amount returned by him, number 2 total interest paid. Here principal is rupees 10 lakhs, rate is 16% per annum, which is equivalent to 4% per quarter. Time is 9 months, which gives 3 quarters. A is equal to P into 1 plus R to the power n equals rupees 10 lakhs into 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 3, which on simplification gives 11,24,864, which is amount. Total interest paid is amount minus principal, which comes out to be 1,24,864. Number 3. CI differs for every year, but SI remains the same. Growth and depreciation. Application of compound interest. For growth, the rate is taken as positive. For depreciation, the rate is taken as negative. For problems involving growth or depreciation, formula for the amount by compound interest is used. An amount of rupees 50,000 invested in a factory grows at the rate of 10% per annum. Find its worth after 4 years. Now, amount after 4 years will be P into 1 plus R to the power n, which is rupees 50,000 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 to the power 4. After calculation, it becomes 73,205. Therefore, we can say that the worth of rupees 50,000 growing at the rate of 10% per annum for 4 years will become 73,205. Price of a car depreciates at the rate of 5% per annum. Find its worth after 4 years if it initially is valued at rupees 4 lakh. Value of the car after 4 years is 4 lakhs into 1 minus 5 by 100 to the power 4. Note that negative sign has been taken due to depreciation. Now this amounts to 4 lakhs into 95 by 100, 95 by 100 multiplied by 95 by 100 multiplied by 95 by 100, which amounts to rupees 3,42,950.